Today we are making peach cobbler. Come on, let's get cooking and I'll show you how. First, in a large bowl, melt 1 cup of butter. Then add 1 cup of brown sugar. And lastly, add 2 cups of quick oats. Now give it a mix, making sure everything is very well combined, and then we're just going to set that aside for later. Now in a 13x9 pan, we're going to take 4 cans that are 15 ounces of sliced peaches and light syrup, and we're just going to dump the whole thing in. Yes, syrup and all. Next, we're going to take ground cinnamon and we're just going to sprinkle it on top. This is a measure by your eye, not by a measurement, until you think, yeah, that's good enough. Then we're going to take our nutmeg and do the exact same thing, measuring with our heart until we say, yeah, that seems right. I use a little less than the cinnamon. Now in a bowl, take 1/4 cup water, 1 tablespoon cornstarch, and we're going to mix it up. This creates what's called a slurry. This is what's going to make our light syrup into a thick syrup for our peach cobbler. Now, using the same fork, because we don't like dishes, you're going to mix everything up, making sure everything is kind of all incorporated and evenly through. Again, make sure that cornstarch slurry gets into all the corners and everything. It's what's going to make it thick. Once you think you've mixed her enough, we're going to go back to those oats that we combined earlier, and we're just going to throw them on top. Now, do the best you can. It's going to look like, oh my gosh, they're sinking, it's not enough. It's okay. Remember, the oats are going to absorb a lot of this liquid, so it will make that beautiful crust on top. Trust the process. I promise you, it will be fine. Now on a 350-degree oven, we're going to pop her in uncovered and we're going to cook her for 30 minutes. And when your time is up, which by the way, if you notice that it's still not the consistency that it should be, which is thicker, or the top is not brown, just keep adding 15 minutes until you get that consistency. It's alright. But once your time is up, go ahead, take it out, try not to drop it like I almost did. And we're going to set it on the counter to cool completely. That's also going to thicken it up a little bit too. If you find that it's still a little wobbly, that's okay. And then once cool enough, go ahead and serve. Now you can eat it as is, or you can serve it over some ice cream, whichever, dealer's choice. Thanks for coming and cooking with me today, and please remember to like and subscribe to my channel so we can keep going on more cooking adventures. Thanks, and see you next time.